In this video, I'd like to show you how to add a layer effect, and we'll start with drop shadow. The layer effect can be found in the layers palette, and it has a symbol of FX for effects. When you click on this, you get a listing of all the different effects that you can do. Click on drop shadow, and over here you can see the effect applied immediately to this text layer. Now, the easiest way to position your drop shadow is just to click and drag in the image itself. And let's just show you some of the different things that you can do with a drop shadow layer effect. First of all, notice that it has a plus symbol by it, which means you can add more than one drop shadow to a layer. You have different blend modes right here. By default, it's multiply. You can change the opacity of the layer effect here. You can change its color. You can change its angle. You can change its distance, its spread, and its size. So very sharp shadows have a size of 0. Very soft shadows have a size much larger than that. The quality, the contour is kind of interesting. The contour gives you a curve, and you can do a number of different preset curves here in this drop down. Anti-alias means you get a smoother edge. You can add noise to it, and you can make whatever setting you make up here the default setting by clicking here.